Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to do something fun with Giselle. We're going to make a infant plaster casting kit. This is something I've been wanting to do for a long time. I cannot wait to do it. This is a lifetime memory. This one says it's easy, safe, and wiggle friendly. And the mold is non-toxic and hypoallergenic. I will link this one in my links down below if you guys are interested in buying this one. Let's open it and see what's inside. So make sure your baby is in a good mood. I hope Giselle is. Says that you also want to start with a foot casting. So I unboxed the whole thing. So it says here, step 1, create the mold. And then I'm guessing this is the step, well it says step 2, but this is to create the casting stone. It comes with a little Tupperware, a spoon, a brush, a buffer, a spatula, and I don't know what this is. It looks like it's glue, not really sure. But I want to kind of get started, so let's get to it. So I don't have newspaper. I'm gonna use a Nordstrom bag that I just unfolded. And that will be my newspaper because newspaper people only buy in 1920s. So you need 2 cups of water. You pour it in the container. And okay. The water's in the container. It's exactly 2 cups in here. Now we are going to use the step 1, creating mold. I don't think I have the right shirt for this experiment. Oh, now you want to mix it. It's pink. It's a pink color. I don't know if you can see. Oh, okay, I see it changing colors. So we're gonna put her foot inside and see her reaction. I'm so scared. Wow. So your baby's not supposed to move, but she's moving, but it says that it's wiggle free. Wait, her foot is stuck. Before I saw her foot wiggle, and now it got hard. So I don't know how long you have to wait. She did good. Okay, we're gonna get your foot up. Good job! Let's go wash it off. We'll be right back. Okay, so now you want to have a half a cup of water. It says you want to pour it in a bowl. So here's my bowl. I'm gonna pour it inside. It says to pour this in about half a cup of water and mix it until there's no lumps. So let's mix it. I know! You can use the spoon to make sure that is going everywhere. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up to the end. You want to move it around to make sure that it's going to go everywhere. So we have to leave it for 30 to 45 minutes and then we'll see the results. Okay, so I am back. Let's see. Oh my gosh! So cute! Oh my god, guys, the detail of this is so beautiful. I will show you guys a close-up once it dries off. This is beautiful. I am so happy about the results. It looks like a real foot. So I'm gonna let it dry and then I'm gonna buff it and then show you guys a close-up of how it looks like. I don't really want to touch it too much because if I do, you wanna come on? Okay, hold on. Sorry, I had to pick her up for a minute. It's gonna take off all the wrinkles on her feet, so I don't want to ruin this because that's the whole point of it. So I'm gonna leave it like it is and just buff the top of it, and that's it. I think we're gonna do her hand too. She's in the mood for it, and if not, we'll do it tomorrow, right? At least we did the foot. We can show everyone what it looks like, right? Look, Giselle, this is your foot. It's a little moist right now, so I'm just gonna let it dry again. So that is it with today's video. I hope you guys liked it. Don't forget to like and comment down below, and we will see you very soon. Bye! Bye! Bye!